Hi, welcome back. It's day 8 of my 31 days of posting videos on YouTube all about decluttering and organizing. I'm Jess Marcy. I'm a professional organizer located in upstate New York, and my method of organization is called Prioritize Your Sanity, and you can find out more at prioritizeyoursanity.com. Today's little mini lesson is something that's critically important, and I call it from cents to seconds. So when I work with clients, I encourage them to change their mindset about the stuff that they own, and instead of thinking about it in terms of how much money it costs, think about it in terms of how much time it costs. So here's the deal, you guys. Everything that we have costs time and money. Time is a non-renewable resource. You can never get more time in your life. You have this amount of time to live, and that is it. Money is a renewable resource. You can always work and always get more money. You can always make more money. So if you are holding on to something because of the amount of money that it costs you, I encourage you to think about, instead of the amount of money it's costing you, the amount of time that it is costing you to have this item. And when I say time, I'm also talking about the emotional amount of time that it's costing you to have this item. So if you have something and it costs you $20 and you really don't like it, but you really don't want to throw it out because it costs $20, but every time you look at it, you know that you don't like it, so you feel a little bad about it. So then you think about it for like 5 seconds or 10 seconds and you think, oh, should I throw it out? Should I not throw it out? That is your time, your energy. You're just giving to this item that costs $20, but you are giving it seconds of your life every single day just thinking about it and stressing over whether you should throw it out or whether you should keep it. You will never get that time back. You should prioritize your time and think about everything that you own in terms of how much time it is costing you. Are you constantly having to move something out of the way to get to something behind it? That is costing you time. Are you lugging books around from move to move to move, packing up the books, unpacking the books, and never opening them while you have them on your shelves, but having to dust them and maintain them? That is costing you time. So the next time that you're considering whether you should donate something or throw it out or whether you should keep it, I encourage you to think about how much time it is costing you instead of how much money it costs you, because your time is more valuable than anything else in this world. So that's your mini lesson for today, from cents to seconds, how we think about the stuff in our lives. For more awesome tips and tricks, subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also find more information about the services that I offer at prioritizeyoursanity.com. And you can follow me on Facebook. I'm always posting and putting little things every day to keep you motivated and thinking about living the intentional life that you deserve to be living. All right, until tomorrow, bye-bye.